Look at example 2 on page 362. You should use the concept summary box up above to help you if you get stuck. So if you go through each column, it tells you what words would mean that inequality. So for example, the first box is less than, is fewer than. The second box is greater than, is more than, or exceeds. So if you see those words in a sentence, that means you would use the greater than symbol. So if you look at example 2, it says you must be at least 18 years old to vote. So if I look at the concept summary and I find the word at least, I can see that the word at least means greater than or equal to. Again, you're always going to put your variable first, so x is greater than or equal to 18. Pause the video and do number 2. A student must have at least 10 hours of instructor-assisted driving time to pass the course. Write an inequality to describe this situation. Again, if I look up above, I see the word at least. At least means greater than or equal to. I am always going to put my variable first, so x is greater than or equal to 10. Inequalities with variables are open sentences. When the variable is in an open sentence, it is replaced with a number. The inequality may be true or false. Look at example 3. Example 3 says, for the given value, state whether each inequality is true or false. A says 2t plus 8 is greater than 7. T is equal to negative 1. I'm going to take that negative 1 and I'm going to plug it in for t. So I'm going to take 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2, and I'm going to take negative 2 plus 8. Negative 2 plus 8 is 6. Is 6 greater than 7? That is not true, so my answer is false. Look at letter B. P minus 42 is less than or equal to negative 2. P is 40. So I'm going to take 40 and I'm going to plug it in for P. When I do that, I get 40 minus 42. Well, 40 minus 42 is negative 2. Is negative 2 less than or equal to negative 2? That is true because it is equal to, so my answer is going to be true. Pause the video and do 3A and 3B. 3A says 3.9 plus x is less than or equal to 12. X is 6. So I'm going to take 6 and I'm going to plug it in for x. 3.9 plus 6 is 9.9. Is 9.9 less than or equal to 12? That is true, so my answer is going to be true. B, I'm going to take 4/3 and plug it in for y. 4/3 minus 1/3 is 3/3. 3/3 is equal to 1. Is 1 less than 1? That is not true. It is equal to 1, but it is not less than. So 3A should be true, 3B should be false. When you do these on your homework, you do have to show the work that you plugged it in and what you got, and showing the actual inequality. You cannot just answer true or false.